Hello and welcome back to GW Add-ons. Drafting contracts and NDAs is a critical part of business, but doing it manually is a high-stakes chore. One small typo in a name or a date can lead to significant legal risks. What if your contracts were generated perfectly, every single time, the moment your client or employee provides their information? With Smart Form Publisher, you can turn a simple Google form into a signature-ready document engine. For contracts, Google Docs is the perfect canvas. You can maintain your exact legal language and branding while using markers to act as dynamic placeholders. Simply place your markers exactly where the variable data needs to go, and let Smart Form Publisher handle the data entry. To ensure your agreements are secure and unchangeable, set your output format to PDF. This creates a professional, static document that is ready for review or digital signature. By using markers in the file name, your legal team can find and organize every agreement in Google Drive instantly. Automate the delivery process by setting up a custom email notification. The moment the form is submitted, the signature-ready PDF is delivered to the signer's inbox. It's a seamless, friction-free experience that speeds up your onboarding and keeps your projects moving forward. Standardize your legal documents, eliminate manual errors, and scale your business with total confidence. Smart Form Publisher gives you the power of a legal assistant without the overhead. Protect your business and automate your agreements today. Install Smart Form Publisher from the Google Workspace Marketplace. Visit gwaddons.com to learn more.